from where you live.
So taking a look at that video, things could be much worse here at home. So we're looking pretty quiet. We're expecting some sunshine later this afternoon and definitely for our Saturday. So milder temperatures too, but not so this morning. It is cold out there and we've got a wind chill too. So you do need to bundle up, layer up, especially the kids as they head to the bus stop. We're also looking at some black ice possible. This is a live look over West Lafayette here at the station, and we're seeing lots of shiny road conditions out there, which means they are wet, and we do have a chance for some black ice, some icy spots, especially on those bridges and those overpasses. We're hovering around the freezing mark with the overcast skies, and the wind chill tells the story this morning. It feels like we're in the 20s, so sub-zero feels like temps with the wind out of the west-northwest at 10 miles an hour. So everybody around that freezing mark, 30, 32, 31 degrees, that is cold enough. And then we've got that wind making it feel like we're in the 20s. So we're looking at 21 degrees. That's what it feels like out there for our northern communities. And then we're looking at 22 for much of the area. Layer up this morning. We're going to stay cold today. It's seasonal. Our normal high is around 34. We're going to be around 35 degrees for today's high. So we're going to be quite chilly out there, but at least it will be drier. All the activity, which has been on the light side, everybody reporting about 1/10 of an inch of precip. That is it. And we had a little bit of a mix of rain and snow, some snow in the grassy areas, even on their cars, but that is all coming to an end. You can see just some leftover scattered flurries pushing off to the north and to the east. We'll see some clearing skies to the west of us. In fact, we're already seeing that as high pressure builds in here for the eastern plains, the central plains. So we're hoping that's going to push in here and give us a little bit of sunshine for this afternoon. And we will see some sunny skies for our Saturday afternoon before more clouds roll in ahead of our next weather maker. That will give us a little bit of a mix for late Saturday night into Sunday. So we are looking at another wintry mix and maybe even a glaze of ice for some parts, especially the southern communities, as our temperatures again are going to be around that freezing mark. So for tomorrow, though, we are looking at some milder temperatures. Will be above average, close to that 40 degree mark. So 38 for Lafayette, 39 for Crawfordsville, and as you head back, so 37 and 36 for our northern communities where they do typically stay a little bit cooler. But you can see for this afternoon, we're looking at that west wind with a little bit of clearing, even as we get through this evening. And then for Saturday, we should see a good amount of sunshine. And then we are going to see our next system push in from the south. And depending on where that actually moves through and tracks will determine what we're going to see as far as snow, rain. But we could even have a glaze, especially for those southern communities, for overnight into early Sunday. So if you're going to be out traveling, just be aware of that. Again, we can have some slick spots on those roads. But here's a look at our 7-day forecast then. Partly to mostly cloudy for later this afternoon. I'm going to be optimistic. 35 degrees, and then we'll see sunshine for our Saturday with milder temps getting close to 40 degrees. That will be nice. And then we'll have that wintry mix overnight into early Sunday morning. Then we're looking at mostly cloudy skies. Warming up for all next week, and it should be dry. Monday, we're going to start out with some sunshine with a high of 40. And then our next chance for a wintry mix will be Thursday, because those temperatures, again, are going to be in the low 30s to around 42 for our daytime high. But take a look at next Friday. We have a high